jQuery CSS. The CSS method sets or returns one or more styles properties for the selected elements. So we can do a get CSS property with the syntax CSS and the property name. We can set a CSS property where the syntax is CSS with a property name and a value like a name value pair, and set multiple CSS properties. Syntax is CSS, property name value, and so on. Let's look at some demo now. We can see the first example here. Let's look at the first example. Here we are trying to get a particular property. So you can find that there are 3 paragraph elements here and all the backgrounds have a different color. Next we see the document ready function here and an event that is being attached to the button function. So on the click of that button, we are supposed to get the font size element P. So element P and the method CSS is attached. The property that is being tried to being queried is font size, and this is being put in a JavaScript alert which would produce a message box. It would print the font size and equal to as it is, and it would obtain the font size and replace it after the equal to sign. Let's run this particular demo now. You can see that the font size appears to be 16 pixels. So this is how we get a property using the CSS method using jQuery. Now let's run the second example. The second example demonstrates the purpose of setting one particular property to an element. You can find this to be very similar. We just do CSS and we give a value, name value pair. So that is, we say background color has to be changed to yellow for the element P. So all the P elements are selected, including the last one, and the background of which is changed to yellow. Let's run this example. The background color of P elements has been set to yellow color. Now let's go ahead and run the third example to understand how multiple properties can be set. So the third example also looks pretty much same, except the fact that this is one set of property and this is the second set of property, or there are 2 name value pairs which are being set for all the elements P. So now background color yellow and font size 200% is going to get set for all the elements of the type P. Let's run the example now. As you can see, all the P elements has been changed.